Alright guys, I'm making a quick video for people who want to know the difference between a coaxial speaker, which I have in this door. This is the old factory tweeter. It's been deleted, so it's obsolete. The reason it was deleted is because after putting the coaxial speakers in, you could not turn up the volume enough because these would distort before the coaxial speakers reach their distortion point. But in these doors we have Focal RCX165s, which are coaxial 6.5s, which we have right here. And basically a coaxial speaker is a speaker where the tweeter and the woofer are one. And if you look at the back, you can see that these have crossovers built into them, and I actually can't see any on here, but basically the coaxial speaker has a crossover already built into it that keeps the high frequencies or the highs coming from the tweeter and the lower frequencies or the mid bass coming from the woofer only. And over here we have some C2-650s by jail audio, and I went ahead and placed the tweeter back in the factory position because car manufacturers place their speakers in areas where they assume it's going to sound better, and let me just tell you that's a great spot. It's more at the ear level of the listener, and also higher frequencies are directional. They're more directional, so lower frequencies are not. They just, it doesn't matter. They can be at foot level. It's just, you know, mid bass or bass or whatever you want to call it. But this is the crossover, and this basically, you have the wires coming from your head unit. In this case, they're going from the head unit to my amplifier and then coming down in this wire to power up, in layman's terms, or give it the signal, the music, the noise signal. And you have a positive and negative, if you can see there, positive and negative. That feeds the crossover. And then you have a positive and negative for the woofer, which is this bad boy right here. And then you have a positive and negative for the tweeter, which I've temporarily pasted right there, which fits perfectly. Now, what I want to do is show y'all, or let y'all listen to the difference in quality, but also sound, how different component speakers and coaxial speakers sound. And let me tell you guys, it's night and day. It is night and day. And these Focal coaxial speakers are not the cheapest ones. These are about $1.50, so they're not super cheap at the time that I bought them. They are Focals, but they're more of an entry level, so maybe I'm comparing apples to oranges, but I want you to hear the difference in these component speakers and the difference in the coaxial speakers. So let me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna push play here, and I want y'all to hear the difference. Now the speaker's all the way back there because I'm gonna be fading it. I don't wanna, you can't be over there and over here at the same time, so listen to this. Sounds so beautiful. Oh my god. Those are like $300, but they're worth it. I mean, they're worth everything. It makes me wonder what the C5 and C7 sound like. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, let's go to the coaxial side now. decent, right? It kind of sounds muddy at higher volumes. Let's hear the component now. So much cleaner. Let's go over to the other side of the truck. Alright, let's switch it over to the Coaxial and I'll give you a better look. Guys, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Let's put them all together now. It's a beautiful thing. Bye guys.